Lecture 7: Creating Hooks, Titles, and Talking Points. Whether you're writing an essay, giving a class presentation, or submitting a project, the way you begin matters. A boring title or a flat opening line won't grab anyone's attention. In this lecture, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create hooks, brainstorm titles, and even outline quick speaking points for presentations. You will see how a good prompt can turn a simple idea into something memorable and how to stay in control of the tone and purpose. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use ChatGPT to generate strong titles for academic writing or projects. Prompt ChatGPT to create opening lines, hooks that make readers or listeners want to keep going. Get short, structured speaking points for oral presentations or class participation. Generating strong titles that fit the topic. A good title is clear, focused, and reflect the content. It also has to grab the reader's attention. It doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to work. For example, you just give a prompt as suggest 5 clear and specific titles for an essay about the effects of social media on mental health, and press enter. So you will have 5 different topics on the specific topic that you have given. Why this works? The prompt clearly states the topic and guides ChatGPT to focus on the titles. You can also add tone instructions like make them sound academic or use a question format to get results that better fit your needs. Writing engaging hooks or opening lines. A hook is the first sentence of your introduction. It might ask a question, share a surprising fact, or state a bold opinion. It sets the tone for what's coming next. For example, you just write a prompt in here as write a strong opening sentence for an essay about the pressure to succeed in college. Keep the tone serious but relatable, and press enter. ChatGPT gave this response. For many college students, the pressure to succeed feels less like motivation and more like a constant weight, threatening to crush their well-being. Not bad for a start, and you can always tweak it further to make it your own. But if you want an improved version, you can just click on that and click on try again. So, ChatGPT will respond with this one. Creating short talking points for presentations. If you are given a task to explain a topic in class, use ChatGPT to get bullet-style speaking points to keep your thoughts organized. For example, you just give a prompt in here as give me 3 talking points for a 2-minute explanation of how climate change affects farming. Keep it simple and easy to present loud and press enter. So these are the 3 simple talking points for a 2-minute explanation on how climate change affects farming. First one is unpredictable weather hurts crops. Pests and diseases are spreading. And third one is less water for farming. This helps you stay clear and focused without reading your script word for word, making your delivery sound more natural and engaging.